Namaste. I welcome to you my Indian Yoga YouTube channel, and today we are going to do some Hatha Yoga asanas, and so we will not waste any time and let's jump on a mat. Stand at the edge of your mat in prayer position. Keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both the feet. Expand your chest and relax your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides, and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Breathing in, lift the arm up and back, keeping these biceps close to the ears. Breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale, completely bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Breathing in. Push your right leg back as far back as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips back slightly, slide forward. Rest your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your prostrate a little bit. The two hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin should touch the floor. Slide forward and raise the chest up into the cobra pose. You may keep your elbow bent in this pose with the shoulder away from the ears. Look up at the ceiling. Breathing out, lift the hips and the tailbone up to bring the body into an inverted V pose. If possible, try to keep the heels on the ground and make a gentle effort to lift the tailbone up. Going deeper into the stretch, breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between the two hands. The left knee goes down on the floor. Press the hips down and look up. Breathing out, bring the left foot forward. Keep the palms on the floor. You may bend the knees if necessary. Breathing in, roll the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit, pushing the hips slightly forward. As you exhale, first straighten the body and bring the arm down. Relax in this position and observe the sensation in your body. Stand in Samasthiti. Samasthiti is standing with both the legs together and hands beside the body. So slowly raise the hands from side and join both palms. Interlock the fingers and change the position of the palms toward the sky. Raise the chin, look at the hands and lift the heels up. Stay in that posture comfortably. Gradually and slowly come back to Samasthiti and relax. Parasva Tadasana. In Tadasana posture, while exhaling, slowly bend the body to one side and while inhaling, return to the original posture. Shirsha Angushta Yogasana. Stand erect with your feet about 3 feet apart. Clasp the hands behind the back. Twist the upper torso to the left. Bend the body at the waist. Stretch the arms upward and bring the nose down the left foot. Bend the left leg slightly to assume this position. Raise the tongue and recenter the body. Repeat on the right side. Practice a maximum of 5 times on each side. Ardha Shalabhasana. Lie on your stomach with the chin stretched and touching the ground. Keep the hands on the side. Slowly bring your hands under the legs to support them. As you inhale slowly and deeply and lift your right leg upward without bending the knees as much as you can without straining. Maintain this position for few seconds, maximum up to half a minute. Release the position by bringing down the right leg back to the original position. Exhale during this process. Step with your left leg lifted above the ground. This process can be done a few times, alternating between the right leg and the left leg. Supta Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana with heels pointing outwards and big toes touching. The body is upright, hands rest on the thighs. Relax the whole body. Breathing normally, place the hands on the floor beside the buttocks. Bend the elbow and slowly lean the body back until the elbow rests on the floor. Lower the head backward until the top of the head touches the floor. Bring palm together in front of the chest and hold the posture. Breathing is relaxed and slightly deeper than normal, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. With the help of the elbows, slowly return to the starting position. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Sit erect with your legs stretched out. Make sure that your feet are placed together and your spine is absolutely erect. Now bend your left leg such that the heels of the left foot lies next to the right hip. You could also keep the left leg stretched out if you like. Then place the right leg next to the left knee by taking it over the knees. Twist your waist, neck and shoulder toward the right and set your gaze over your right shoulder. Make sure your spine is erect. There are many ways you can place your arms to increase and decrease the stretch, but to do it simply, you can place the right hand behind you and the left hand on the right knee. Hold the pose for a few seconds, 30 to 60 seconds as you breathe slowly. Exhale and release the right hand and then the twist, chest and finally the neck. Relax as you sit straight. Repeat the step on the other side and then exhale and come back to the front. I hope you enjoy this session with me, and if you have any query, if you have any doubts, just let me know. You can write down in the comment box and I will reply to you as soon as possible. And see you next week. Bye bye.